course.
And all that.
Especially if DIY.
Yes.
Super struggle na. Di nila siya easy na.
And I think that's your trademark, no?
Yes.
Mr. DIY.
Mr. DIY bito. Dagan nag-ingon. Ka-release ko 5. I think 5. Kaya yun, consists of more than 5.
But come to think of it, you guys. Yes, it's DIY, pero look at his product, diba? I mean, makaingon dyan ta nga.
Thank
you. Diba?
Dagan nagtuo nga studio dyan to. Nga marag inani ba nga. Pero kwarto ra na hinay-hay.
And it only proves you guys you don't have to have a lot just to be an artist.
Yes, that's my point. My goal talaga.
Ingon magod sila nga muundang kong pagka-artist kay tay kwarta.
Yes, mao dyan na. Mao nag-DIY ko kay wa mo koy kwarta. Pero as you love music, manggod ganahan ka mag-release, you want to share og music sa friends, ganun ba?
Yeah.
So nanikamot jud ko my own time, effort, sweat, blood,
True.
everything, and it was really worth it.
And that's something na we should follow. I mean, if nakaya ni Junmax, di ba? Kinsa man tanga, di na to
guys,
right?
just do it. Pinaka first na ako headset jud nga sa phone ba? Kanang headset na may microphone. Dito jud ko naghimog demo tanan. More than 50-80 songs. So dili siya hadlang ba nga kung wala ka maka-record jud ka if gustuhon lang jud nimo. So
and
guys,
then one thing put is